Hi everyone. So today I want to lead you on an exploration of our adaptive immune system, which is the specialized defense mechanism of our body against specific pathogens. So today we'll delve into the quite intricate world of T cells and B cells. So these specialized cells are not just the foot soldiers of our immune defense, but also the architects of immunological memory. They originate from hematopoietic stem cells, and they are pivotal in recognizing and responding to foreign invaders. So, in addition, they develop into memory cells after their initial encounter with these pathogens, which allows for quicker and more robust responses upon re-encountering the same pathogen. So, this ability forms the basis of how vaccinations work. So, it provides long-term protection against diseases. So, let's begin by understanding the key components and functions of the adaptive immune system. Alright, so in this slide, we're going to delve into the interesting world of T cells, which are star players in the adaptive immune system. So T cells originate from hematopoietic stem cells in the bone marrow, but they undergo maturation in the thymus, which is where they gain their functional capabilities. So there are several types of T cells, each serving a unique purpose within the immune response. So helper T cells, or CD4 positive cells, are pivotal as they orchestrate the immune response by activating other immune cells and helping B cells switch antibody classes. On the other hand, cytotoxic T cells, also known as CD8 positive cells, are the immune system's frontline defense, directly attacking and killing cells infected by viruses or transformed by cancer. And lastly, we have regulatory T cells that play a critical role in maintaining immune system balance by preventing inappropriate responses to self tissues, thus averting autoimmune diseases. So understanding these cells' roles help us to appreciate how they collectively defend against infections and maintain immune system homeostasis. Now moving forward, let's focus on B cells, which are another cornerstone of the adaptive immune system. So like T cells, B cells originate from the hematopoietic stem cells. However, their maturation takes place in the bone marrow, where they differentiate into cells capable of producing antibodies. So there are two main types of B cells: plasma cells and memory B cells. Plasma cells are the body's antibody factories, secreting large volumes of antibodies that specifically target antigens, neutralizing pathogens and marking them for destruction. Memory B cells, meanwhile, serve as the immune system's long-term memory. While they don't secrete antibodies immediately, they are primed to rapidly transform into plasma cells upon subsequent exposures to their specific antigen, which allows them to provide a swift and robust immune response. So this ability to remember past encounters with pathogens is crucial for the effectiveness of vaccines and for our long-term immunity against diseases. Now, as we dive deeper into the immune response, the intricate dance between the T cells and B cells becomes more apparent. So these two cell types collaborate closely to ensure a well-coordinated defense against pathogens. So helper T cells, particularly the CD4 positive subset, play a pivotal role in this process. They not only assist in activating B cells through direct contact, but also through cytokine signaling, which is essential for B cell proliferation and differentiation. Upon encountering the antigen, B cells can process and present these antigens via major histocompatibility complex 2 molecules to helper T cells. This interaction is crucial as it helps to fully activate the B cells, leading them to differentiate into either antibody-producing plasma cells or long-lived memory B cells. So this cooperation ensures that the immune system can not only respond to infections effectively, but also build memory to combat future reinfections by the same pathogen. Now, the threat of reinfection segues perfectly into what happens in the aftermath of an immune response. So a crucial transformation occurs. Some of the effector T and B cells initially generated to fight the infection convert into memory cells like previously stated. Now, this transition is not merely a change in function, but involves profound genetic remodeling that prepares these cells to live long and act fast. So memory cells are a testament to the adaptive immune system's capability to not only fight the current infection, but to anticipate future threats. These cells linger in the body, sometimes for the lifetime of the individual, ready to spring into action much faster than the original effector cells if the same antigen reappears. So this rapid and robust response is why vaccinations work. By introducing a harmless form of the antigen, Vaccines prime the immune system, creating memory cells without causing disease, thereby preparing the body for potential future encounters with the actual pathogen. Alright, so this is where we wrap things up, and as we conclude our exploration of the adaptive immune system, let's reflect on the critical roles played by T and B cells. These cells are the backbone of our body's targeted defense against pathogens, each performing unique functions that are vital for detecting and eliminating threats. The development of memory cells, which is a hallmark of the adaptive immune system, ensures that once our body encounters a pathogen, it is prepared to combat it more effectively and swiftly should it appear again. And this mechanism is the basis for vaccinations, which is one of the most powerful tools in public health today. It enables us to prevent numerous diseases and save millions of lives annually. So looking forward, the principles of adaptive immunity continue to guide scientific research and offers promising avenues for developing new therapies and enhancing our ability to fight complex diseases. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope this short presentation was enough to encourage you to explore further into this fascinating aspect of our human biology. Thank you.